Hi, I am Dr. Burak Gökdeniz. I am specialist prosthodontist in Dentafly Antalya. Today I want to talk about Toronto hybrid system. Toronto hybrid system is full set of teeth supported by titanium framework on All-on-4, All-on-6 implants. This is our daily routine, and every day we do 3 or 4 this Toronto hybrid system in our clinic. Let's talk about benefits of Toronto hybrid system. The first one is system is lighter than any other type of full mouth restoration because of titanium substructure. Another important feature is ease to hygiene because of passive tissue contact and curved surfaces. It prevents bad smell in the mouth, increase lifespan of implants, plus prevent any gum disease in the long run. The third important factor is there are individual teeth. We place teeth one by one on the framework, and it creates very natural and aesthetic appearance, and also it creates easy to restore, repair in the future if there is any unexpected accident. This titanium framework distributes forces equal on the implants, and it increases lifespan of implants. So this treatment is durable and long-lasting for our patients. Toronto hybrid system gives you comfort, aesthetics, function, and stability. Thank you for listening us.